Doesn't matter. No, I think that he's shooting at the curve first.
Go for curve.
Let me go check his turrets.
Go for curve first.
Yeah, he just fired. Go.
Go, bitch, go.
Because you guys need to get
Maybe
into
once
that
I
cap
actually
if we're gonna win
get
this.
the Mogami, I'll find out how to play it right.
Like, there's no way that we win this without you guys pushing.
I'm gonna try to. Oh, Shima.
Pop.
Oh, the dispersion!
No, I think that was just bad aim.
No, I was watching it. It bracketed forward or back. Oh, but the curve first with the death. I don't know. It looks like you're pretty okay, Templar.
Damn it, Lemons! I'm gonna have to play a stock tank. No.
Oh, poor Ronan. You're gonna have to play like every other person.
No.
Wait, how did we not cap B? Oh well.
No.
We're gonna have to win this by points anyways.
Oh.
And not by points, by... Oh, that was a real nice RNG from the Yami on you. Why'd they hit you for anything? Yeah, you guys have got this. Moskova's trying to butt pen the Yami though. With AP.
Butt stuff.
Oh, holy shit, he's hitting hard. Russian supremacy round.
Where do we shoot him? Bow?
Yeah. Moskova's secondary setting fires. Moskova's... Why? Are you going for the ram? Well, there goes that theory.
Sounds like somebody got ripped.
Yep.
What do you win?
He just picked up an extra easy 40k.
That was glorious.
Well, Templar, I'm proud of you for sacking up in a battleship and not being a pussy like everyone else that plays battle. I'm going to free XP this haul so that I can get my fucking goddamn radar.